So today we are at the HCC District Building in our administration room. We're holding a expo featuring our small businesses that are contracted to do business with the college. These are local certified small businesses that have the opportunity to serve the college every day by providing services and commodities. So traditionally we would hold this event at the West Houston Institute, and it was more of a meet the buyer type of a format. However, we wanted our internal clients to get to know the vendors that we are contracted with, our local small businesses. So we closed it to the public this year, and we opened it up only to our contracted small business vendors. That way the end users have a chance to meet all the small businesses that service the college.
I'm a supplier analyst, and so the first process is registering in Bonfire, right? Bonfire is letting you go out there for the open bids to be able to choose commodity codes, and submit your W-9 along as your conflict of interest in order to do business in the state of Texas.
It's really important that we continue to hold events like this because we want to shine a light on the small business community. It's more important now than ever to keep our local dollars here. So as a college, we have a 35% overall goal to spend our dollars with the local small businesses.
We have so many students and we have so many different campuses, and we want to make sure that we're choosing our preferred suppliers for different services or materials that we're currently using.
So some of the vendors that we have here, they provide staffing services to us, IT services and supplies, promotional products, facilities maintenance, equipment that helps our students at the Coleman College for medical supplies. And many of them have gone through different programs that we are a part of, such as the Intra-Agency Mentor Protege program. Just local small businesses here that we're trying to support. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has participated today, our local small businesses as well as our end users and our upper management. Without the support internally, we would not be able to work so closely and intimately with these certified small businesses. Our program meets its 35% goal every year, and that is all thanks to the hard work of our internal partners that come together to the table to meet and greet with our local suppliers.